Bent your fucking bumper, dumbass.
Compton know that I'm rap. They all know that's my destiny. Haters hate from the sideline. I don't even want them next to me. I don't even want a phone call. I don't even want them texting me. I'm in this shit for the long haul. I gave you niggas a recipe. Compton know that I rap. They all know that's my destiny. Haters hate from the sideline. I don't even want them next to me. I don't even want a phone call. I don't even want them texting me. I'm in this shit for the long haul. I gave you niggas a recipe. The first shit that I dropped pop. Shit knocked, I was 17 with a fat knot. I was getting green, had a Philippine with a fat cock, had shit locked. I was still in the same.
So getting the stencils made so I can get Herbie ready. Cause you know I'm not gonna do stickers. I'm just gonna just get painted on.
I'm
So.
right here at Jimmy right now. You wanna get it for me?
It's my boy.
I'm gonna FaceTime him so he can see you, so I can be okay. You know? Okay.
That's fine. He said he finished it. It goes, Ken?
I think so.
Huh? Be up, because it has to cover some of the windshield.
I had to look at the other one first.
You gotta be straight, folks.
I think this video gonna be called Teller 250s.
Start from that car and move on. So do you have a nice setup already?
I know. I didn't even think about that. All right, y'all know the 70. I just gotta clean it up. I might wax it up today. You know, the 24, looking all fly and presidential. You know what I mean? Like Eisenhower daddy was riding that thing. Then you definitely probably have not seen this. Jose just painted this. I don't know if you've seen the 24 video. That's just the this is the car they were doing getting it prepped for paint. Right here, you know, I think right here is just overspray. I got a color sand. I had to clean it up. There's like 3 levels of flake in it. I don't know if you can see about 3 different levels of flake. So it's micro, fine, and I think regular flake. And then this is the other 50 sitting on them Fiestas. You know what I mean? This is the project about to get worked on right now. That's what we're going to be playing with today. Along with, you know, Herbie, you know, but whatever about that. We're going to look at this.
What's up, brother? What you doing there, bro?
All right. What you about to knock out? Which one are you knocking out first? This one?
Yeah, I'm going to knock this one out first, and then we're going to knock that one out over there.
Okay, that one over there? Yeah. Okay, and then I'm saving the medium for worst, right, which is Bertha. And then hopefully I can get this one done so you can do this one too.
All right, well, I'll probably have enough time for 2 of them, and then my brother lead off.
For the rest of them. All right, see, that's when you got the plug. I told y'all go to Vernon's. They're going to bless you. They're going to bless you. That's right. They're going to give you that love, man. Show it to you. All right. All right, let me not bother you too much. All right. Can't say hardly work with these brothers. They about to do 3 cars at one time. Oh, shit. Let me get these things out the way. Let me get this bullshit out the way. God damn it, my bad. You should have cussed me out. It's okay. I'd have let you cuss me out. I'd have took that. My bad, y'all. I had to move around and move some stuff out the way.
Hey, Dre.
There's a lot of work getting done around here. While we being patient and getting people to work on our stuff, wash our stuff down, you got Jose over here getting Herbie together. See, we got them stripes. I can't show too much. He told me don't be showing the car off. Then he busted down the old school air conditioner. You know what I mean? We work. Oh, they cool right there.
They're gonna be wet.
But they gonna get dust on them in there. That's what I'm.
It's not mine.
See, he cussing. Ooh. 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 filming, right?
Yeah.
Do you realize I'm filming right now? You are bothering me.
You were bothering me.
No, I was bothering them. I wasn't bothering. I was bothering them.
Okay, what the hell are you trying to do? I could just give them the solid 100 and that's it. I just give them the solid 100 and that's it. You don't gotta do none of this chipping on bullshit.
No, I was talking about I was gonna get a tip, so I was gonna give them the tip.
Nah, pay them the 100. I'll give them the tip. You just pay me the tip.
Okay, that's what I was gonna do. I need a change for 100. That's why I gave you $60. So you won't take a big L, but nobody listens to me. You know, like for y'all bless me. You know, I already know you bless me and everything. So my question is, price-wise, how do y'all usually charge?
Well, for regular size cars, we charge $25, and that's inside and out. Vacuum, wipe down a couple of the door jams, hit your windows, wash the car, armor all the tires. SUVs are $30, and large triple row vehicles are $35. Wash and waxes is a regular size car is $60. That includes the wash with the inside vacuum wipe down and everything else. $75 for the SUVs, $80 for the raised vehicles. We do inside details starting at $80 for regular size vehicles up to $110. Large size vehicles, which is SUVs, are $90 to $120, and that covers everything from inside: the shampoo, the roof, the seats, the floor, vacuum, hit your vents, everything. And if you want to wash, leather conditioning if it's leather. And if they want a wash, with $10 more for a wash. Full details on a regular size vehicle is $120. SUVs and trucks is $140. Triple row vehicles is $160, and that covers everything. Wax, inside shampoo.
That's hand wax, right?
Yeah, no, it's spray wax.
Spray wax, okay, I was gonna say.
Wax,
so they know then if you bring in the buffer, that's a whole nother price.
Paste wax would be $20 more. But we do regular buff jobs, paste wax jobs too. Paste waxes are regular size vehicles, that's by hand. Regular size vehicles are $60, and that includes the car wash, vacuum, wipe down cup holders, door jams, and windows. And then trucks are $75 for the same thing, everything. So we got some of the fairest prices in town. Whenever you want us, just call us up. 323-204-6728. We'll take care of you. We got 7 vehicles, so whenever you call us, we'll get to you. Say that number again. 323-204-6728.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. See how they bless me, so go on, let them bless you, man. Okay. A little better. You know, kind of can see myself. You know what I'm saying? And I don't think I finished yet. So I'm gonna have to tell them, let me hit it a couple more times, just because I'm kind of a perfectionist. So yeah, that's it. That's the 50 4-door. It's not perfect, so I don't play that. I learned from a dude that don't let you half-ass buff some shit, half-ass color sand and buff a car. So I guess I got that same perfectionist attitude towards it now. So yeah, should be ready pretty soon. All right. That's it.
I need a gold medal. Jesse Owens running laps in it like I'm wearing Pro Fit. Free smoke, free smoke, free smoke, free smoke, free smoke, free smoke. Free smoke, free smoke. Look, big bag, we smoke. Look, big bag, need boats. Got shit. 40 loaded, I'm a locksmith. Looking in the fridge, we ain't got shit. In the house quick. Locksmith really was flocking. Me with it, took a case on the chin, ain't no talking, we walking. I got 21 savages. They ain't trying to see the red hots. They ain't trying to meet the red ops. 8 ball with the red dot. That's a 38 with the beam on it. Switching teams on us. Catch a nigga, let him lean on it. Playing lean on me with the big homies trying to scheme on them. Shit, I'm sliding in the plane, Jane.